determine dy dx of y equal to 3x squared cos x. That's a question that we have been asked to determine. So we quickly write down our solution, okay? And also quickly specify our function as u all over v, which implies dy dx equal to keeping v, differentiating u, and then with respect to x, also minus keeping u, differentiating v, all over this, everything over v squared. This is v squared. All right, so we are familiar with this now. The next thing we need to do is to define our u. So our u is, from that equation, our u is 3x squared. Okay? Then our v is cos x. Cos x. So take notes. Since that is the case, what do we do next? We begin to specify things that will help us solve this. So we begin with du with respect to dx. If we now differentiate u with respect to x, we have 2 times 3x, 2 minus 1. This is 2 minus 1. And finally we are having du dx is equal to 2 times 3, 6. And then that becomes 6x. And this is for du dx. That means differentiating u with respect to x. The next one, let me keep chalk. The next one is differentiating v with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate v with respect to x. So let's watch me. This is v. We are going to differentiate v with respect to x. And if that happens, it's going to give us minus sine x. Please take note that any time cos is differentiated, it leads to minus sine x. Now we have our du dx. We now have the v and dx. To be this, we have our u and we have our v respectively. It is time for us to begin to substitute where necessary. Where we have v, we substitute v. Where we have du dx, we substitute this minus. We keep our u again, which is this, and substitute the v dx, which is this, all over v squared. At this point, v will be squared. That's all. And you see, it's very simple. All right. So if you have watched up to this moment and you have not subscribed, come on. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Give me some thumbs up as sort of encouragement, all right? And then share with your friends, students, and networks. Don't forget to put on the bell button for constant notification. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. It's very, very interesting. So we begin at this point. dy, all right, dx is equal to, let's look at this. Look at our v, okay? Our v is cos x. So we quickly put cos x. Now what about our du dx? Du dx is 6x. And this is 6x minus. Okay, I'm going to squeeze things a bit up there. And look at that. The next thing is u. Where is our u? 3x squared. Okay? This is interesting. So we have 3x squared. So what happens next? We look for dv and dx. dv and dx is minus sine x. We are going to put it there, right? And that gives us a bracket minus sine x, bracket close. I want to rewrite this quickly. All over, let's finish it first. V squared. Where is our v? Cos x. This time around is going to be squared. Cos x squared, right? So let me quickly rewrite this for clarity purpose. Let me rewrite that on that side. So it becomes dy dx is equal to cos x 6x minus 3x squared, bracket open, minus sine x, bracket close, all over cos squared x. Okay? I have simplified everything, but there's one more step we must take note of. We must take note of this one more step. We must clear this minus sign. We must arrange it to look nice. Okay? So, let me take chalk. Okay, so let's go further and simplify. It becomes dy dx is equal to, let's see what happens here. Okay, we have this. This can become 6x cos x. And then this becomes plus 3x squared sine x. Good. Okay? We have simplified the numerator, and then we're going to keep the denominator the way it is. Okay? For now. So let's see. Quite interesting, right? We can continue from this side. So let's see what happens next. If we continue simplifying, it means we are going to arrive, I don't like this chart, let me change it. It means we are going to arrive at something concrete, and that could be, where's my duster? And that could be of dy, that could be dy, dx is equal to, let's see, we have 6x here, we have 3x squared. Okay, so what can we do at that point? There is something we are going to do. We are going to bring out 3, okay? And then maybe bring out 3x and close 2 cos x, right? Good. And then the next one is going to be plus, and then we enclose what? 2 again. So no, we don't have to enclose 2 again, because the only thing we're going to write here is going to be x sine x. All right? This is squeezed up. Things are squeezed up here, all over cos x squared. Take it again. dy dx is equal to 3x is outside brackets. Look at this. We have 2, okay, cos x. Take it this way, then another one is plus. Look at this, because of this, right? So we have just x sine x, all right, bracket close, all over cos x squared. Soft. Okay? We have finally simplified. That's this assumed answer to be this now. So they're the same thing. Let's cross check. If 3x times 2 is going to give us 6x, and we maintain our cos, then 3x goes against times x is going to give us 3x squared. Then remains our sine x. So this is okay. All over cos x squared is clear. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your patience. My returning subscribers, my new subscribers, I am so proud of you, right? Please, if you have not subscribed, it's time to do so. Come on, this is interesting. Subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, and then put on the bell button for constant notification. Don't forget to share with your friends, students, and networks. See you in my next class. Thank you so much. All right.